Good evening, everyone. My name is Vivek, and he's my friend Vansh. We are the student of 730 batch, Triple L Institute. Sir gave us a task to sell product in a trade fair. So here we are. I hope you would like it. Please give your feedback in the last. Imagine walking into a room and everyone notices you, not by your loud voice, but by your comfortable and sharp outfit and your style, your aura. Today, I am presenting before you all a complete outfit that defines confidence, comfort, and class. So, my first product is sky blue cotton shirt. It's very light, breathable, easily washable, perfect for every college festival or a wedding or any type of festival. Only at the rupees 599. Then we have a dark blue cotton pant. It is a perfect combination with sky blue shirt. It is very comfortable, made in Indian product. The cotton is made in India and only at the rupees 999. Then here comes the best part. White shoes, everyone's favorite, right? Yes. It adds energy and modern style to your outfit. It only costs 1199 rupees. Then we have black leather belt. It is very simple, strong and classy leather belt, perfect for all your outfit. You can use it in a daily basis also. Only at rupees 299 rupees. Then we have a red and brown wallet. It is very durable and easy to carry wallet. It is not just a wallet, it's a personality in your pocket. So it's only cost rupees 199. Then we have black goggles. You can wear these goggles on any occasion with your friends and you can dance with them on the song O Tenu Kala Chashma from the movie Baar Baar Dekho. It will boost your confidence in your friends group. Only rupees 399. Then my last product is perfume. It is looking good is not enough. You have to smell amazing also, amazing too. So my perfume will last long. My perfume fragrance will last long for whole day. It will boost your confidence and everyone will attract towards you after wearing this perfume. So it will cost 499. If you buy my product separately, it will cost you around 4200 rupees. But here is the best deal. I have come for you the special offer. If you buy whole this outfit, it will cost you only 3800 rupees. So please visit my shop and book your stalls. Thank you everyone. Now my friend Vansh will continue with his product.
So hello guys, I will tell about our watch collection, and I am selling a high quality and premium watch. And there are both stylish, and there are men's and women's, and they are the best price and perfect for every occasion like night party, office party, and house party and other. And there are many watches like leather watches are made leather and they are very strong, and they are only at 499. And there are chain watches are made aluminium, and chain watches are very expensive and stylish, and their price is only at 799. And smartwatches are very good because smartwatches are work mini phones, Bluetooth calling, and smart notifications, and there are many games and health rate, heart rate, and running steps, and this is only at 1499. And all the students combo offer buy 3 watch and only at 2000. So thank you.
Now my friend Shrishti will continue with her product.
So hello everyone, my name is Shrishti. I am from 730 batch, and today I am going to present something like trade and fair. So let's start with my product. So welcome to our communication, Shrishti and Janvi communication. She is my partner Janvi, and let's start now. So this is the phone of Android. This is the phone of Android, which is an Infinix smartphone, a Hotwell Play smartphone. It is for daily use, and it has good quality, and it is a modern device at nowadays. And nowadays everybody has a mobile phone, and now let's know about the features of this phone. So let's start with these features. So it has a 6.82 inch HD plus display and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and it has MediaTek Helio Z37 processor, and its main camera means back camera is 50 MP, means 50 megapixel, and its front camera is 8 megapixel, and its quality means 1080p HD full recording, and it has 6000 mAh full battery, and it has charging around 18 volt fast charging, and you don't want to charge again and again it, and its RAM is 18 GB, and its storage is 256 GB, and its storage is 256 GB, and it has many features. You can store many apps and videos, photos in it, and it is very usable for nowadays, and it has many features and many apps like Gemini, Blackbox AI. You can search many things from this and solve many questions. And now the cost of this phone is 9,999 rupees, but there is a combo offer, so we will give you this phone at 8,880 rupees. So with this phone we will give you this earbuds and in offer, and the data cable and cover is free with this phone. Okay, now the next part will be described by my partner Janvi.
Hello everyone, my name is Janvi Gupta and I am talking about this bird. This bird name is boat. You know, in today's busy and noisy environment, it becomes difficult to focus on your study and enjoy music properly. Traditional earphones also have wires, but which can be uncomfortable. So I have a solution. We have a boat buds. Our product is very compact, stylish, and very easy to carry. So I am going to talk about these features on this bird. First is crystal clear sound. Second is comfortable in air design. Third is long lasting battery backup. Fourth is instant Bluetooth connectivity. Fifth is stylish made and blue look, perfect for calls, music, and gaming and daily use. Thank you. And next will my friend.
So you can see everyone, this is the earbuds of boat, and its color is blue and cream color. It's looking very good and it's very smooth if you wear it, and it is in offer with our phone. If you purchase phone, so we will give you offer of the earbuds and charger and cover we will give you free. And if you want to purchase this phone, so please check our website and come on our communication shop. So the next part will be described by my partner Krish.
Hello everyone, my name is Krish and I am with my partner Gautam, and today I am going to describe about this novel. Its name is Atomic Habit, written by James Clear. And if you want to build a good habit and make your life enjoyable, so you can buy it. And this book teach you how to build a good habit, stop wasting time on phone, and study without laziness. And the best part is you don't need to change in your whole life. Just trust on this novel, and once you start the read, so you won't stop. And in this novel have many laws. First law is make it obvious, means make your habit clear and visible, so you don't forget it. And we get a lot from these laws. If we can see the habit, so we are more likely to do it. And the second law is make it attractive. Make your habit interested and enjoyable. And example like you can in a study while listening soft music, and what we learn with this law. So if we can like a habit, so we are more likely to do it. And after that, my partner Gautam described the all things.
Good evening everyone. My friend Krish explained about this novel Atomic Habit, and I am telling you good habits about this novel and some benefits of this novel. Like if you read this novel, it's improve your reading skill, and it's improve your creativity and explanation, and it's improve your language skill also, and it's improve your vocab skills also. And there are lots of novel, and each novel teach you each different things. And if you want to purchase it, you can visit our website and we will give you 20% off on each novel. Thank you for your patience listening.
So now this is the time to give you feedback. You must have heard this presentation. You have taken more than 20 minutes. So it is your turn to give the feedback. What do you think about this presentation? Do you have any kind of question for them, any kind of suggestion, anything as a feedback? So you can give. आप क्या feedback देना चाहते हैं? कुछ सवाल हैं इनसे?
Like you guys told about novels, so I'm very interested in novels. So can I ask you these two books there? Can you tell me, explain me which type of books is this?
At this time we have shortage of time, that's why we don't explain too much about these novels, and that's why my friend explained only one novel.
Oh, thank you. It's okay, but very confident you guys are. When I was in English class, I was very hesitate, but you guys are such a good speakers. So thank you.
Very good. Clap for it. अच्छा, किसी बच्चे का कोई भी सवाल इन लोगों से हो, किसी प्रकार की? यस।
आपको इंग्लिश बोलने में सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम किस चीज़ में आई थी?
when I am not regular in the sir's class, it will make me uncomfortable to to speak in English. If I am so, sir is really a good teacher. If you regularly attend his classes, it will improve your English speaking confidently.
वेरी गुड, क्लैप फॉर बताइए कैसा लगा आपको?
सर मुझे इनके इंग्लिश सुन के काफ़ी अच्छा लगा और मैं भी ज्वाइन करने वाली हूँ अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछ के। इनकी इंग्लिश काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंट थी।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, क्लैप कर दीजिए इनके लिए। एनी क्वेश्चन अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट? यू कैन आस्क।
First of all, I would like to say that you both of you, you all did well, and even I like your presentation, the way you present your product, and I like even your combo package. And if I talk about you, Srishti, so I like that thing that you know that how to present herself. Even when I see you, so I was surprised that a little girl can present some things very. Even you can see I don't have a word for you. Confidently, yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to ask to Sachin, please. Any feedback for them?
As there are many good learners I saw in this batch, because I have also learned English and I also play this game, and I also sell novels, so I like this one. And their confidence level is so good, and they are fluent in speaking English. I like this because also there are many small aged children, and they are speaking much good English, so I like it much.
Very good. Well and nice feedback. Give them feedback.
Sir, I like their performance and they didn't even hesitate when they are talking about their products. So I like their confidence and performance too.
Very good, very good. Clap for them, please. Well done. Bharti, do you have any feedback? Please give them.
I have something to say to you all, that you make mistakes but you confidently cover it. That's make me too much happy that you cover your mistake by your confidence. And I personally like her. What's your name? Srishti, I like your confidence. The way you speak, I am too much impressed by your speaking, and I am also liking your smile. You all time you smile, and I just like it. And that boy, he looked too much small, like younger, and he also speak too much well. So it also impressed me. And these two, Krish and Gautam, you both speak too much confidently, and you both handle the conversation between you both, and present your novels too much perfect. And one more thing about you both, that when you confuse what you want to say, then you just give to her, like the way you give to her that my partner will explain the next part. That make me feel like
You forgot something.
like you forgot something. So she handled it. So it show that you both have too much coordination. So it impressed me. That's it.
Good, very good. Very nice feedbacks he has given to all of you. Great, everyone. You all have listened to this presentation. Basically, the main purpose of this presentation is to improve the confidence and to just provide such kind of environment to those who are learner here in the field of speaking English, and also for those who are unknown and who are not much aware that here in this institute this kind of platform is also provided, who are really eager to speak in English. So if you wish to be a fluent speaker in future, you really wish that I also want to have this kind of session and want to be the part of this kind of seller or this presenter. So you can be in future as well by joining some classes, and you can try to expose yourself in the field of speaking English. So English is just a language. It demands that you must have good environment in your surroundings, and there should be some good friends as well, because whom you will contact, whom you will talk. So here they were just preparing, but they were presenting me for you all. If you had not been there, then who would have been there to just give them confidence? So you all were there. So this was just something to give them a kind of chance to present with the faces who are unknown for them. So thanks for coming everyone here, giving them some of your precious time, and also I would like you all to say thanks to them.
Thank you.